Mahilig ka ba sa mga Korean food and Korean groceries? Well, if you are, let me introduce to you the app that I discovered today. Samahan niyo ako, tara! Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. Sabi ko nga dun sa introduction ko kanina, we discovered this new mobile app. It's called Let's Be. Actually, it's a marketplace. This is one of the first na marketplace app dito sa Pampanga because it's not just a delivery app, it's also a mobile application for real estate, for used cars for sale. We also have hotels and accommodation, car rentals, massage, and other local businesses na included dito sa mobile app nila. Now, as soon as you download this app, you have to log in. Since wala pa akong account dito or profile, let's sign up. I'm gonna choose sign up. I'm gonna create an ID. I am Louie. Password. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so I have already logged in. Okay, so let's briefly talk about the app, no? So yung first section natin dun sa upper part is the advertisement. So you can actually inquire for some advertisement features dito sa Let's Be if you're interested to advertise your business. Dun sa second part naman niya are the categories or list nung mga services na available sa kanila. So now yung lower part naman ng app natin are the recommendations from the app. So here you can see some recommended properties, recommended vehicles, and a lot more. So, if you're interested to explore more about Korean food and Korean establishment, I think this is the all-in-one app. It's a great application for you to check it out. So, what we're going to do now is, samahan niyo po ako. We're gonna go to the restaurants and check and see from ourselves how is it being done by Let's Be Delivery. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Alright, so that was a ride, no? Just an additional information, Let's Be Delivery operates from 10 a.m. up until 7 p.m. of the day. As of now, si Let's Be operates sa Angeles City and Clark areas. They have a fixed delivery fee of 100 pesos. So regardless if you are far Angeles City or far Clark, that's just gonna be one-time payment of 100 pesos. Now, considering the current situation, the safety, and the weather, I think 100 pesos is very reasonable, no? You don't need to line up dun sa mga restaurant queue. The hassle ng pagbili ng favorite grocery mo or favorite food mo, this is gonna be taken care by Let's Be Delivery. They are celebrating Chuseok. It's the Korean Thanksgiving Day. So for those of you who will use the app from September 30 up until October 4, you're gonna get a free delivery and up to 20% off with a variety of Korean dishes that is from Let's Be. So there you have it, guys. If you like this amazing app right here, the marketplace of Angeles and Clark. Again, you can download this from your devices. It's available sa iOS and Android phones. This is Let's Be. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video. Peace! Bye-bye!